I'm going to start off today's vlog with a tour of the barn, so get ready. The barn faces east and west, so I'm going to start on the north side. Unfortunately, I have to walk through that to get to it, so I wish I'd brought my machete. Oh, this is going to be hard to see if you can see it all. Yeah, there it is. I hate to mess up his spider web, but I got to get through here. I actually thought there was a path here, but there isn't. So I'm going to move around to the south side of the barn. Okay, so I have walked this way before, so I know that I can get through. Have to be very careful of the briars. Okay, I'm still on the south side, working my way around, but this is an old pen. Right now it's full of junk. Okay, making my way down to the west side of the barn. It's pretty thick through here. Okay, so I've made it to the back without tripping over anything. Here's the pass-through, and I'm actually standing on what is called, or what my husband referred to as, the back porch. So I'm standing on this little back porch area. If I can get everything to focus. My husband wanted to turn this area into a forge area. We have an old anvil, and he found a lot of tools for blacksmithing, and he had an interest in it, and that's what he was going to do with this area here. Maybe I'll still make that work. We'll see. Okay, so I'm walking over to the north side where there is no path to get through. I think this side's going to be the side I'm going to start working on. But here's another area. So there's a little trailer on this side and the old Ford tractor on the other side. And one of the things that amazes me every day is how much tin is on this property. There is tin everywhere. This fall, I have to work on getting all this privet hedge cut down. It's all privet hedge. It's actually made a canopy here. It's hard to believe that at one time this whole area was pasture. And hopefully before I die, it'll be pasture again for my children. I've made my way back up to the front of the barn, and that's going to conclude our barn tour. And I guess it's time to get to work. Oh, I'm going to stop for a minute and show you how far in I've gotten so far. So there's the edge of the barn. And I can get all the way to here. And I need to get over there. My problem right now is I have to cut all this away. It's going to be fun. As you can imagine, I stay pretty busy here on the farm, and I haven't been out here to the barn in a while. And since the last time I was here, we have developed a serious problem that we need to address immediately. I've moved the tractor out of here because I'm really afraid that this is going to give away and fall on the tractor. I'm going to go ahead and take some measurements today, and we're going to work on replacing this pole and securing the barn so it doesn't bow out anymore. I've been holding on to this video for a while, and I'm going to go ahead and finish it. I can't do any more work on the barn until we get that main pole fixed. And due to the conditions that we're all living under, we've had a hard time getting anybody to help. Hopefully soon, and as soon as it's fixed, then I'm going to get back out there to the barn and we're going to start cleaning it up again. But until then, I have plenty of other projects to do around here that I can do and will do. If you want to see what happens, please come back, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment. We'd like to see you back here. You guys have a great day.